What's up, YouTube? Zero here. Did you guys hear that? Sound like some form of knocking? Anyway, we got the BAM heart. There it is again. Did you guys hear that? Anyway, BAM heart. Who are you? What are you doing here in my house? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I will be your host this evening, as your host Zero is, well, unavailable. You can call me Anti-Zero. And in this video, we are going to unbox the BAM Horror. Now in this box, it may give you nightmares. It may keep you up at night. It may have screams running through your dreams. A demon may latch onto you. I am not responsible for any of that. If you are still here, I assume that you accept the risks. Without further ado, let's unbox. Now, in my previous household, they never let me hold knives. I never understood why. But I think I'll be okay. This time. Inside of the box itself, we see there is BAM. Some nice paper. And now, we begin. The first item I see on top is a scratch off that I will use to win. The next item is our horror card. Now our horror card is a BAM fan art featuring a unique sketch from one of our featured artists. A very cool card. Mine is 1481 out of 3000. We can see on the back. Just in time for Halloween to decorate, to hang in my house, and let everyone know that it's Halloween. The next item is our prop, and we shall see that it is very interesting item. Let me take it out of the package. Now with this prop, you could easily slap somebody and do a decent amount of damage. A very thick, heavy item. Or you could post it up for a display piece. Either way, you can have a lot of fun with this item. Now we see our pin. Very cool pin for September. Now we will get to the print, and you saw it before me. Now I just recently watched this movie. It was a good movie, done back in the 1980s. I recommend it. And last, but certainly not least, we have Leatherface. A great one to have for horror fans to let everyone know one of your top villains, especially in time for the horror season. Now we have another monthly giveaway card. Our featured celebrity is Bob Elmore, who's known for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 and Pirates of the Caribbean, also being John Malkovich. So there is Bob Elmore, a nice item to have. Let us go over the cheat sheet. Inside of this box, we had our celebrity item. We had this print. You're the first girl Bubba's brought home to dinner. Okay, not technically spoken by this actor, but he's more of the silent but deadly type. September's autograph is Leatherface from the disturbing Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2, played by Bob Elmore. And we got this one. And you can see the other prints, autographs that you can get. Now our collector's pin. We got the one everyone else got. Enjoy this month's awesome Grindhouse inspired pin set by artist Tom Ryan. While most people will receive Trejo as Machete, keep an eye on our trading community for the rest of the set. And you can see the set on the bottom. Of course, Danny Trejo is a legend in the horror community, so it's a very nice pin to get. The one we got was Trejo, of course. Again, the autographed print. Now, let's move on to the Artist Alley. Check out these awesome and gross, but if you've seen the movie, you understand, designs for a new BAM artist, Chris Meeks. Enjoy this From Beyond design and variant. So that is the one I received, From Beyond. Very nice print. And if you've seen the movie, this goes very well with it. Now the prop / item. This month's prop is a very realistic replica of the beautiful hairpin worn by Akasha from Queen of the Damned, directed by Michael Reimer and written by Anne Rice. This movie currently is free to watch on Tubi, although it may not be the case very longer. From Beyond, I believe I just saw free to watch on Vudu. And now last but not least, our Artist Select card. Continuing our sketch card villain series is Alfred Hitchcock inspired by artist Jason Miller. Check out our community to find one of the hand-drawn sketch cards. Then we can see on the bottom the different variants. And that is the box. I'd like to thank Zero for allowing me to do this video, whether it was willingly or otherwise. I'd like to know what your favorite item in the box was. Was it the pin? Was it the artist sketch card, which is very cool? Was it the From Beyond print? Was it the Leatherface autograph? Or maybe it was the prop. I do not believe that you can use this as a hairpin. I could be wrong. I don't have much hair to use this with. But again, you could easily slap somebody with this and it would probably hurt. Now my favorite item in this box, this time around, is going to be the autographed Leatherface. This is a very cool item. You have the legend Leatherface himself, and it's autographed by the actor who plays him. But I want to know what your favorite item in this box was. Before I go, I will be doing this scratch off to see if I won. I love using knives. Very fun to use knives. Just watching the cards scratch away. And scratching and scratching. Unfortunately, I did not win. But I hope you have a great October, the month of horrors. Until next time, rest in peace.